Deep Clean Your Kitchen Like a Pro, the complete guide. Hey there, it's Marcus from Seniors Cleaning Hacks. Your kitchen works hard every single day, cooking meals, hosting family gatherings, and serving as the heart of your home. But when was the last time you gave it the deep clean it truly deserves? Most of us wipe down surfaces and wash dishes daily, but there's so much more hiding beneath the surface. Grease buildup, hidden germs, and neglected spots can make even the cleanest-looking kitchen less sanitary than you think. In this guide, I'm walking you through every single step to transform your kitchen from top to bottom. Trust me, by the end of this, your kitchen will look, smell, and function like brand new. If you find this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our cleaning tips. We're all about making life easier here at Seniors Cleaning Hacks, and your support means everything. Drop a comment below and tell me which cleaning tip you're most excited to try. Now, let's get started.
Step 1. Restore your countertops to perfection. Let's kick things off with your countertops, since they're probably the most used surface in your entire kitchen. Every day you're setting down groceries, prepping ingredients, and placing hot dishes on these surfaces. Over time, crumbs collect under appliances, caulk lines get grimy, and stains set into the material. Start by moving everything off your counters. Yes, everything. That coffee maker, toaster, and stand mixer all need to come off so you can access the hidden mess underneath. You'd be amazed at the crumbs and dust that accumulate in these spots. For grout lines and caulk seams, create a powerful cleaning paste using 1/4 cup of hydrogen peroxide mixed with ½ cup of baking soda. Apply this mixture to the grout, scrub it gently with an old toothbrush, and wipe it clean. You'll see the difference immediately. Now, different countertop materials need different care. While it's tempting to spray everything with the same cleaner, doing so can actually damage certain surfaces. Here's your safe approach. Fill a spray bottle with hot water and add just a squirt of dish soap. This combination works beautifully on virtually every countertop material without causing damage. When you need to disinfect, always check the product label first. Most multi-purpose cleaners work fine on laminate, quartz, and soapstone. For concrete and granite counters, mix 1 part isopropyl alcohol with 3 parts water. If you have wood countertops, grab ½ a lemon and some salt. Rub them together across the surface for natural cleaning power. For marble stains, apply a thick paste of baking soda and water, let it sit for 24 to 48 hours, then wipe it away. For your daily maintenance routine, switch from paper towels to white cotton terry bar towels. They're reusable, bleachable, and look neat in any kitchen. Keep several in rotation so you always have a clean one ready. Step 2. Make your sink shine bright. Here's something that might surprise you. Your kitchen sink is actually one of the dirtiest spots in your entire house. It sees raw meat drippings, dirty dishes, and constant water exposure, creating a perfect environment for bacteria to thrive. To properly sanitize it, create a powerful cleaning solution. Mix 1 ounce of bleach with ½ a quart of water and add 1 teaspoon of dish soap. Spray this mixture generously across your entire sink surface. Wait 5 full minutes to let it work its magic, then scrub vigorously with a large brush. For those tight spots around the faucet and drain seam, grab a dedicated cleaning toothbrush, every professional cleaner's secret weapon, and scrub thoroughly. Finish by flushing everything down with hot water. Your garbage disposal needs attention too. Sprinkle ½ a cup of baking soda down the drain, followed by 1 cup of vinegar. Watch it bubble and fizz for about 1 minute. This reaction breaks down buildup and eliminates odors. Run hot water through the drain to flush everything away. For a fresh, clean scent, grind a few lemon peels through the disposal. Your sink will smell like a spa instead of last night's dinner. Before moving on, share this video with anyone who could use these tips. Cleaning doesn't have to be overwhelming when you have the right techniques. Step 3. Transform your cabinets and hardware. When light hits your cabinets at certain angles, you suddenly notice fingerprints, drips, and smudges that seemed invisible before. Dust loves settling on top of cabinets, and detailed woodwork, like the grooves on shaker-style cabinet doors, attracts grime like a magnet. Begin by unscrewing all your cabinet pulls and knobs, drop them into a bowl of hot soapy water and let them soak while you work on the cabinets themselves. With your handy cleaning toothbrush freshly soaped up, tackle every groove, corner, and crevice on your cabinet doors. These detailed areas hold on to dirt that regular wiping misses. Next, wipe down the entire cabinet surface using a cloth dampened with hot soapy water. Alternatively, you can use a solution made from 1 part vinegar mixed with 2 parts water. Follow up with a damp cloth to remove any residue, then dry everything thoroughly with a microfiber cloth. If stubborn grime remains after this initial cleaning, spray an enzyme cleaner onto those problem spots and let it sit for 5 minutes before wiping clean. By now, your hardware should be clean and dry. Screw everything back into place. Don't forget about the insides. Empty your drawers completely and use your vacuum's brush attachment to remove crumbs and debris. For tight spots, here's a clever trick. Roll a lint roller sheet around a butter knife to reach every angle. Wipe down the drawer interiors if needed, then organize everything as you refill them.
Step 4. Overhaul your refrigerator completely. According to a survey from the American Cleaning Institute, 41% of people can't even remember the last time they deep cleaned their refrigerator. If it's been 6 months or longer since you've done more than wipe up spills, it's definitely time to tackle this project. This isn't just about making your fridge look Instagram-worthy. It's about protecting your family's health. The standard refrigerator temperature of about 40 degrees Fahrenheit creates an ideal environment for germs and fungal mold to grow. Clean behind and underneath. Start by unplugging your refrigerator or switching off its circuit breaker. Pet hair, dust, and random food items accumulate underneath and behind the unit, coating the condenser coils that keep your motor running efficiently. Vacuum these coils thoroughly using your vacuum's brush attachment. Depending on your refrigerator model, the coils might be located on the front, back, or underneath. You might need to pull the unit away from the wall for proper access. This step dramatically improves your refrigerator's efficiency and extends its lifespan. Deep clean the interior and exterior. Plug your refrigerator back in, then remove absolutely everything from both the refrigerator and freezer sections. Place items worth keeping into coolers with ice packs. Throw away anything expired, moldy, or questionable. When in doubt, toss it out. Remove all shelves and drawers that come out easily. If they're small enough, wash them in your kitchen sink with hot, soapy water. For larger pieces, your tea bath works perfectly for this job. Create a powerful cleaning spray by mixing 1 cup of water with 1 cup of distilled white vinegar plus 1 teaspoon of dish soap. Spray this mixture generously throughout the refrigerator's interior. For stuck-on food or stubborn discoloration, sprinkle on some baking soda paste and let it work for a few minutes. Scrub every surface thoroughly, then wipe everything down with a damp cloth to rinse. Dry completely before replacing the shelves. As you return food items to the refrigerator, wipe down each bottle, jar, and container. To catch future spills before they become a mess, place shelf liners or enamel butcher trays on your shelves. You can simply wash these when needed instead of scrubbing the entire shelf. For the exterior, wipe everything down with your all-purpose cleaner. If you have stainless steel, mix 1 part vinegar with 2 parts water and wipe using a microfiber cloth following the grain of the steel. Step 5. Conquer your stovetop. Sauce splatters and grease buildup don't just look unsightly, they harbor bacteria and attract pests if left unchecked. For glass stovetops, glass surfaces scratch easily, so always use a non-abrasive scouring pad or microfiber cloth. Create a gentle cleaning solution using distilled white vinegar, water, and dish soap. This combination removes stuck-on food without damaging your cooktop surface. For gas stovetops and grates, gas stoves require a different approach. Mix 1 cup of white vinegar with 1 tablespoon of Castile soap and 2 cups of water. Soak a scouring pad with this solution and scrub your grates thoroughly. They'll look absolutely terrific. Clean the vent hood. Remove the knobs and vent hood screen from above your stove and soak them in hot soapy water. These components collect enormous amounts of grease and dust, and cleaning them makes a huge difference in your kitchen's overall cleanliness. If regular soap doesn't cut through the grime, grab your cleaning toothbrush, make a paste from baking soda and water, and scrub until they shine. If you're learning something valuable here at Seniors Cleaning Hacks, please hit that like button. It helps more people discover these time-saving tips. Step 6. Give your oven a complete makeover. Your oven needs attention whenever it starts smoking or producing strange smells during preheating. Clean the racks. Pull out all oven racks. Depending on their size, either run them through your dishwasher or soak them in your sink or bathtub. Fill the tub with hot water and add a few dishwasher detergent tablets. Let the racks soak for 2 hours, turning them occasionally for even cleaning. If you're using your bathtub, line it with an old towel first to protect the glaze from scratches. Those dishwasher tablets are powerful degreasers that dissolve cooked-on crud without requiring intense scrubbing on your part. Scrub the interior. While the racks soak, spray your oven's interior with a solution made from 2 cups of water mixed with 2 tablespoons of dish soap. Let this sit for 5 minutes, then wipe with a wet pumice stone. This combination of gentle abrasion and degreasing power works remarkably well without requiring toxic chemicals or using the self-cleaning setting that can fill your house with smoke. For the inside of the oven door, use a damp Brillo pad to cut through baked-on grease. Vacuum any crumbs from the warming drawer. Once everything dries, replace the racks and knobs. Prevent future messes. Make future cleanings easier by being proactive. Before sliding in your next lasagna or fruit pie, place a baking sheet on the lowest oven rack to catch any drips. Instead of cleaning the entire oven later, you'll only need to wash that one baking sheet.
Step 7. Refresh your dishwasher. Food particles, grease, water minerals, and undissolved detergent gradually build up inside your dishwasher and within the filter at the bottom, reducing its cleaning performance. Start by unscrewing the filter located at the bottom of your dishwasher. Rinse it under hot water and scrub it with your trusty cleaning toothbrush. Just remember to rinse this tool between different uses. Screw the filter back into place. Next, pop off the spray arm or arms, some dishwashers have multiple, rinse them thoroughly under warm water, then use a toothpick to carefully clear out any buildup blocking the spray holes. Replace the arms securely. Wipe down the door gasket and exterior with a damp cloth to remove buildup and fingerprints. For the interior, either use a commercial dishwasher cleaning pod or make your own solution with vinegar and baking soda. Eliminate mildew. If you notice nasty mildew buildup, create a solution of chlorine bleach and water. For dishwashers with stainless steel interiors, use ammonia and water instead. Never mix bleach and ammonia together. Apply your chosen solution, then run the rinse cycle to flush away all remaining residue. Step 8. Restore your pots and pans. Regular washing doesn't remove tarnish or seriously burned-on food. The cleaning method depends on your cookware's material. For copper cookware, create a paste using equal parts lemon juice and salt. This mixture dissolves tarnish almost instantly. You'll be amazed at how quickly your copper shines again. For stainless steel, let heat do the heavy lifting. Fill the pot with water and add a squirt of dish soap. Boil this mixture for 5 to 10 minutes to eliminate scorch marks and hard water stains. Then wash normally. Burnt pots. Any burnt pot can be rescued with this simple method. Fill it with water and 1 teaspoon of baking soda, then simmer for 30 minutes. The burning will lift away without harsh scrubbing. Baking sheets. When your baking sheets look beyond hope, try this miracle method. Cover them in equal parts baking soda and hydrogen peroxide. Let them sit for 4 hours, then rinse. They'll shine like they just came from the store.
Step 9. Refresh your kitchen floor. Your kitchen floor ranks among the dirtiest spots in your home. Crumbs, cooking spills, pet traffic, and outdoor shoes all leave their mark. Your cleaning approach depends on your floor material. Ceramic and tile floors should be vacuumed daily and mopped at least weekly. Wood and specialty floors require gentler care. Start with dry mopping or sweeping, followed by wet mopping once each week. If you're maintaining a once-weekly cleaning routine, you'll only need to deep clean with a scrub brush or mop and bucket about once monthly. Here's a bonus tip. Use a dryer sheet to clean your kitchen baseboards. Rubbing a dryer sheet along baseboards repels dust and leaves a fresh scent throughout the room.
Step 10. Refresh your kitchen floor. Your kitchen floor ranks among the dirtiest spots in your home. Crumbs, cooking spills, pet traffic, and outdoor shoes all leave their mark. Your cleaning approach depends on your floor material. Ceramic and tile floors should be vacuumed daily and mopped at least weekly. Wood and specialty floors require gentler care. Start with dry mopping or sweeping, followed by wet mopping once each week. If you're maintaining a once-weekly cleaning routine, you'll only need to deep clean with a scrub brush or mop and bucket about once monthly. Here's a bonus tip. Use a dryer sheet to clean your kitchen baseboards. Rubbing a dryer sheet along baseboards repels dust and leaves a fresh scent throughout the room. Step 11. Clean your microwave thoroughly. Wipe spills, splatters, and crumbs from your microwave after every use. Depending on how frequently you use it, deep clean it weekly or monthly. Always clean from top to bottom. For burnt-on food, apply a baking soda paste and let it sit before wiping away. To deodorize, heat a bowl containing water and lemon juice in the microwave. The steam loosens grime while the lemon freshens the smell. Wipe the interior using a towel dampened with vinegar and water. Step 11. Address small appliances. Move all small appliances off your counters and clean them individually. The frequency varies by appliance. Your stand mixer, waffle iron, Instant Pot, air fryer, and griddle should be cleaned after every use. Items like your coffee maker or toaster can be cleaned less frequently, but don't neglect them entirely. Your kitchen transformation is complete. Congratulations, you've just given your kitchen the deep clean it deserves. Every surface sparkles, every appliance runs more efficiently, and your entire space feels fresh and welcoming. Remember, maintaining this cleanliness doesn't require doing everything at once. Create a schedule that works for you, some tasks daily, others weekly, and deep cleaning projects monthly or seasonally. If you found this guide helpful, please subscribe to Seniors Cleaning Hacks and hit that notification bell. Share this video with friends and family who could use these tips. Drop a comment below telling me which room you'd like me to tackle next. Thanks for cleaning alongside me today. Until next time, keep your home happy and healthy. This is Marcus reminding you that a clean kitchen is a joyful kitchen.